around its mean, X is explaining about 58.1% of the variation of Y. The remaining part, the remaining 41.9% is residuals. So it's not being explained by X. Why do you think that is the case? Why is our R squared only 0.58, not closer, more closer to 1?
Because there's a lot of other variables that go into find out.
The house price, right? So you cannot explain the square footage explaining everything. What's the condition of how old is the house? What do you have on the floors? What do you have on the outside? What kind of ceiling does it have? I mean, there are zillions of other variables that can go in there.
But you can find which variable matters the most, right? With the highest R score
Mhm.
or R square square.
So what you can do, we are not going to do one by one. We can answer your question which variable matters most from a multiple regression.
Okay.
All right, and we'll get an R square there. So while I'm doing this, let me go to a multiple regression R squared too. So you just said because we don't have all the other variables that explains house prices, R squared is small. Fair enough. What's going to happen if you insert more and more variables, which you think are valid? It'll go up. So should you include, if the next class is going to be modeling, which is the harder part of applying this. But how should you just dump as many variables as you can think of? No, you should not, right? R squared will always go up, keep going up if you dump more and more and more explanatory variables. But that benefit has a cost. It has the cost that your data is limited. If you're putting more X variables in there, you are losing degrees of freedom. We've come across the degrees of freedom somewhere. So generally, when you're doing a regression, we don't look at the R squared by itself, we look at the adjusted R squared. All right? This is a simple regression, you can look at both, it doesn't matter, 58. But if I dump another 5 variables on my right-hand side, if my adjusted R squared is going up, that means when I added new variables, that is actually improving my prediction power. If the adjusted R squared is going down, that means the new variables that I'm adding probably is not adding value.